Let's see question number 2. Joseph jogs from one end A to another end B of a straight 300-meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns round and jogs 100 meter back to point C in another 1 minute. What are Joseph's average speed and velocity in jogging? Case 1 from A to B and case 2 from A to C. Let me start with the solution. Here Joseph is starting from point A and going toward the B, and in this case Joseph is covering 300 meter, which has been given in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, fine. And after reaching to B, he is turning and coming back to the point C. Let this point is a C, and this distance from B to C is 100 meter. Okay, fine. So let me proceed for the case 1 from A to B. The distance is 300 meter, which is given, and time taken from A to B is 2 minutes 30 seconds. That is also given. Now talk about the convert this time into second. So if you convert this time into second, it will give you 150 seconds. As we know, the average speed equal to distance by time. So here distance is 300, which already have given, and time is 150. So if you substitute here, we will get the average speed, that is 2 meter per second. In the same case, if we have to calculate the velocity of the Joseph will be again 2 meter per second. Why? Because here distance and displacements are equal. You can see from A to B, he has covered 300 meter. So here distance and displacement is same. Let's come to the case number 2, that is from B to C, and when this case you can see distance is total distance is 400, because 300 for going and 100 meter for returning. So it will give you total 400 meter, and time total taken will be already 2 minutes 30 seconds has been taken, and plus 1 minute for returning from B to C. So total time will be 3 minutes 30 seconds. If you convert it into second, it will give you 210 seconds. So this is the time, and then average speed will be calculated by using formula distance by time, which is given. Distance is 400 and time is 210. If you compute that, it will be 1.904 meter per second. Okay, now let's calculate its velocity in the second case, and finally he is starting from A and reaching to the final position of the Joseph is C, and in between A to C distance is a 200 meter. Fine. So the total displacement of a Joseph is 200 meters, since displacement is a final minus initial, and a final is a point, final point is C and initial point is A. So his displacement is 200 meter, and time taken by Joseph will be the same, that is 210 seconds. So now we can calculate the average velocity by using formula displacement by time, and displacement is here 200 and time is 210 seconds, and if you divide this all, you will get 0.95 meter per second. Thank you for watching.